Hey, what's up, madlang people? Hello, everyone. Yan. It's 6:10 here in Hong Kong. So I'm going to the market. I will gonna buy fish for dinner. Um, so my boss requested ano daw as fried fish. So I will gonna buy fish na yung mataba-taba na masarap prituhin. Ayan. So, walking with this very simple. Yeah. So simple. Pagka-iksi ng aking short. Parang lang. Parang 8 years old. So, ayan. Along the highway, going there. So, I'm just walking. Since it's just a walking distance lang naman. How I wish I have bicycle so that I can, I can do bicycle going to the market. Because sometimes, especially if I have my period, I'm so lazy and it's so tiring, walking there and walking there and here. That's it. But finally, we have nearest mall here, the Novoland, because my boss usually buy food from Yatta Market. So there in that Novoland Mall, there's a lot of shops. So finally, I won't go to Chun Mun because most of the times I'm going to Chun Mun to buy things from Yatta Mall. So good for me na. It's very near. Okay, so I will gonna show you later on the fish that I will gonna buy. Yeah, good for me. It's not too hot. It's not too hot anymore. Yung bag ko gumagano. Yeah. See you later.
2,000 years later.
Look at this plant. It's a calachuchi. See? I never seen calachuchi in the Philippines anymore, especially in my place. Before, during my elementary days, there's a lot of calachuchi in my place. Yeah, and there's a lot of different colors. Yes, but when I became like, when I grow up I cannot see in any calachuchi na. Sampaguita, calachuchi, there in my hometown. Now, where are those plants na Before, there's a lot like Duranta. Huh? Duranta, honey sweet, calachuchi, sampaguita. Before, there's a lot. But now I can't see any more like that. And this what's this plant is a common, right? But if you will gonna arrange it properly, like you will gonna trim it, mas siya, pag i-beautify yung mga plants, mas maganda tingnan. Oh, look at this one. This is Duranta. Nice siya. pag ma-arrange lang siya, tapos atiman nun og trim, super nice. Okay, so I'm entering now the market. So I went to the nearest market because it's too late na for me to buy some stuff. So here, okay. I'm not sure if I can still buy fish like that na fresh because ano na, sobrang hapon na talaga. I hope I can still buy. The yellow one. I'll do nothing. It's nothing. I think I need to go to other market. Oh my gosh, that's too far. OMG. Ayan, pagpalit wala ako. Nabili ko ng fish yan. So, you know what? Nung unang ganyan yung sabi nila, wala nakita na na fish na pinabili. So I was thinking I will go to the other market which is very far from this place. But then may instant told me na babalik ako doon sa Sunday. So anyway, wait pa. So I checked again. Fortunately guys, may isang na talaga yung natira na isda na dapat gawin. May isang na dapat gawin. Sabi ko, hindi ko bumalik doon. Hindi ka ko na. Sabi ko, bumalik ako doon. Kasi kami nag-advise kayo. At sa upo na, bumalik ako doon. Yan, babalik ko, isa talaga. Nakaano siya, sabi na siya. Tapos isang isda na siya na yung klase ng isda na pinabili. Wow. So sometimes dapat, pag mag-decision tayo dapat, isipin talaga yung buti. Like for me, kung wala akong nagpapatong ng market, tapos hindi ako bumalik doon, which is, inaano ako ng logic ng likod. In fact, nandiyan ako sa kinabusin, yung nabili ko sa ko, but when I came back there, it's sold na. So I saw the fish na. So I need to just, wala niya. So sometimes in our lives ba, we often decide without thinking many times. That's why sometimes may mga regrets tayo sa mga decision making natin. So dapat, when it comes to our decision making, dapat isipin natin buti. Yes, and we have to make sure na tama talaga yung decision natin. Kasi natin decision. Kung nag-decision ako kung nag-go to the market, of course, I'm gonna walk for an hour. So, sobrang tayo na ako nun. And in the morning, I was okay with their too. O diba? So dapat hindi tayo, dapat magkabalance guys. Dapat, pag decide tayo, we have to think many times. If we need to pursue or stop muna. Ayun, ganun. We need to pursue or stop muna. Ayun, ganun. Char. Hugot-hugot is real. Ganun lang yan. Ayan. So, I will gonna show you the Novoland which is I'm talking earlier. Na marami na siyang isa siyang malaking mall na marami na siyang shops inside. So, it's easier for me not to go there to buy vegetables because my boss don't like vegetables that has a lot of pesticides. She wants always organic, even in eggs and in chicken, because usually of the food nowadays, like the chickens, so there's a lot of injections, diba? So may mga country kasi na organic yung ini-export nila. Like for example, sa eggs. So, I won't buy from China. Like China eggs, I won't buy because that's lots of injection. The chicken were injected to produce more eggs and like easily, right? So, I'm buying product from Japan that is organic. Hindi pirasadong pinapaitlog yung manok. Yun. Tapos, when it comes to vegetables naman guys, siya, organic din. Like, yung mga pichay, mga cabbage. So, only Yatta Mall is selling organic vegetables. Yan. Sobrang mahal nga lang. Pero, I was just thinking, sure kaya sila na talagang organic yun? Or, di ba, it's just so easy to put organic vegetables like that na, but we really don't know the origin of that vegetable, di ba? Kasi pare-pareho lang naman yung mga itsura ng vegetable. Pare-pareho lang talaga. Siyempre, pag nasa mall ka, malinis talaga siya. Pero yung niya, yung pareho lang. Pag sa market ka bumili, naka-display nga lang siya sa mall, and then it's easy for us to put organic, di ba? Ayan, so I'm on my way going to their house. So, ganito dito. Ang daming bananas. You know, I'm planning to get some banana leaves because I want to make suman. Ano nga ba sa English ang suman? I don't know too. Hindi ko din alam. Ayan. Sarap sana kumain ng suman, no? Lalo na pag ano, yung kasaba. Ay, nako. Lagyan mo ng yung kasaba, lagyan mo ng yung coconut. Yung coconut ba yun? Butong good. Sa mukha. Oh, butong, tapos butangan ni mag peanuts. Tapos lahi po tong bukayo. Ay, bukayo siya pero butong. Dili tong bukayo na gahi nga lubi. Nga gikagod. Butong is different from gikagod, di ba? Ayan. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko na pala naipakita yung Novoland. Nag-shortcut kasi ako, guys. So, ayan siya. So, here na, it's summer already, so it's so hot. During night time, ang hirap kung ano, patulogin pag ano, sobrang init. Sobrang init ang likod. Iba kasi yung ano labas. Iba kasi yung hangin ng aircon tsaka electric fan kaysa fresh air talaga, di ba? Ay nako. Ipinagmamalaki ko talaga yung bukid namin. Kasi yung hangin is sobrang fresh. Ayan. So, I'm living here behind those newly built buildings. Ang daming buildings dito eh. Yung iba nga wala pang nakatira. Tapos gumagawa na naman sila. Government pala to, no? And then, bago ko lang nalaman pala na pag yung design ng house is talagang ganyan, kahit nabili mo na pala yung house, you don't have the right to change inside the house. Like, for example, lagyan mo ng mga, ang tawag doon, division, like ganon, hindi pala pwede. Ipapatanggal pala talaga ng government, and they are having like inspection. Maybe once a year like that na. Because one of my friends living in Kowloon, tapos yung bahay nila is inano na by division kasi lumalaki na yung mga anak niya. Ayan, in-inspect ng government, tapos ano, pinatanggal kasi yung balcony ginawa ng kwarto din. Yung sobrang naiba na talaga yung itsura ng bahay, pinatanggal ng government. Kagaya, ganun pala. So, I'm here na, guys. Thanks for, being with me. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Babush!